Most people think you need a six-figure salary to build wealth fast, but the truth is, smart investing can multiply your money faster than you imagine. I started with just $10,000 and turned it into $100,000 in 1 year. Here's exactly how I did it and how you can do the same. Step 1. I focused on high-growth investment. With just $10,000, I knew I couldn't play it safe. Traditional savings accounts or low-yield bonds wouldn't get me anywhere. I needed high-growth assets. Checkmark stocks with explosive potential. Instead of investing in slow-moving blue-chip stocks, I picked high-growth tech and AI stocks with strong financials. Checkmark ETFs for diversification. I also put part of my money into sector-focused ETFs in industries like AI, clean energy, and biotech, sectors that were expected to grow fast. Checkmark cryptocurrency, 10% of portfolio. I put a small percentage into Ethereum and Bitcoin when the market dipped, betting on future rebounds. Lightbulb key takeaway: if you want to grow money fast, focus on industries that are booming, not just safe, slow-moving stocks. Step 2. I used the power of compound growth. I didn't just buy stocks and hope for the best. I reinvested all my profits back into my portfolio. Checkmark every dividend I received. Reinvested. Checkmark every gain I made. Rolled into new investments. Checkmark I avoided panic selling and focused on long-term growth. Upward trend example: if a stock grew 30% in 6 months, I didn't cash out, I reinvested those gains into another high-growth asset. This allowed my portfolio to compound aggressively. Lightbulb key takeaway: reinvesting your gains accelerates growth. The rich don't just earn, they recycle their money into new opportunities. Step 3. I took advantage of market dips. Most people panic when the stock market drops, but the rich see dips as buying opportunities. Checkmark I bought more shares of solid companies when prices fell. Checkmark I didn't time the market perfectly, I just bought when assets were undervalued. Checkmark I studied market trends and stayed patient instead of reacting emotionally. Lightbulb key takeaway: the best time to invest is when others are fearful. I took advantage of panic selling and got stocks at discount prices. Step 4. I increased my cash flow and invested more. I didn't just rely on my initial $10,000, I found ways to increase my investment capital throughout the year. Checkmark I started a side hustle, freelancing and consulting, and used 100% of that income for investing. Checkmark I cut unnecessary expenses, no new gadgets, no luxury spending. Every extra dollar went into investments. Checkmark I sold underperforming assets and reinvested in high-growth opportunities. Lightbulb key takeaway: the more money you can invest, the faster you can scale. Find ways to increase your cash flow and pour it into investments. Step 5. I focused on long-term wealth, not quick wins. Many people try to get rich quick with risky investments, but I focused on high-return assets with strong fundamentals. Checkmark I avoided day trading, too risky for a growing portfolio. Checkmark I ignored hype stocks and focused on real value-driven growth. Checkmark I learned from successful investors and followed proven strategies. Upward trend: by the end of the year, my portfolio had grown to over $100,000. Not by luck, but by making calculated moves and following a strategy. Final thoughts: how you can do this too. Rocket start with what you have, even if it's just $1,000. Bar graph: invest in high-growth industries. Anti-clockwise arrows: reinvest your profits to compound your gains. Shopping cart: buy more during market dips. Money bag, increase your cash flow and invest more aggressively. Right finger, the secret to building wealth fast. Invest smart, stay patient, and let your money work for you. Want to grow your portfolio fast? Start today. Rocket.